Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something super important. How to inflation proof your grocery budget in 2025. With pricing rising everywhere, it feels like your grocery bill just keep going up. But don't worry, I have got some smart tips to help you save money while still eating well. So let's dive in. The video is divided into six most important sections. Number 1. Know your priorities. First, focus your budget on the essentials. Prioritize staples like rice, beans, pasta, and cooking oil. These are the backbone of meals and usually offers the best value. Cut down on pricey snacks or luxury items that are not necessary every week. This way, you will get full meals without overspending. Number 2. Strategic shopping with 70-20 and 10 rule. Try the 70-20 and 10 rule grocery budgeting rule. Spend about 70% of your budget on staples that you can buy monthly, 20% on perishables like fresh veggies and dairy that you can buy weekly, and 10% for treats or occasional snack purchased bi-weekly. This helps you control and avoid impulse buys. Number 3. Switch to budget-friendly brands. Don't be afraid to switch from premium brands to store or local brands. Many store brands offer the same quality at 30 to 50% less. Try to swap one or two items each shopping trip to save big over time. Number 4. Time your shopping. Shop smartly. Buy fresh veggies early in the morning for best quality and hit stores at month and when bulk sales or discounts happen. Using coupons and loyalty programs also give you great deals without extra effort. Number 5. Cook more at home and plan meals. You see, cooking meals from scratch saves a ton compared to buying ready to eat or take out. Plan your meals weekly to reduce waste and focus shopping on what you really need. Meal prep also helps stretch ingredients over several meals. And at last, buy in bulk when it makes sense. If you have storage space, buy non perishable staples in bulk. This often saves money in the long run, but be mindful not to buy more than you can use before expiry. So, those are my tips for inflation proofing your grocery budget in 2025. Use these strategies and you could cut your grocery costs significantly while still enjoying healthy and tasty meals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more teen finance tips. Comment below your own grocery hack or caution. See you next time.